Welcome to our deep dive into the world of forestry machinery. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey through the latest in logging, processing, and reforestation equipment. From the raw power required to fell giants in the wilderness to the precision of turning logs into valuable lumber or cozy campfire wood, our exploration covers the full spectrum of innovation and power these machines bring to the table. With advancements in technology, these tools not only increase efficiency, but also ensure sustainability and safety in the forestry industry. So gear up as we introduce you to the marvels of modern forestry equipment, highlighting how they revolutionize the way we manage our forests and their bounty. The TigerCat 724G wheel feller buncher is a powerful machine built for tough logging jobs. It uses a special attachment called a felling head, which can be equipped with a saw or shears to cut trees. The operator sits in a comfortable air-conditioned cab with great visibility and controls the machine with joysticks. This allows the 724G to precisely cut trees, bunch them together, and then clear the way for further processing. With its wide stance and extra horsepower, the 724G is known for its stability and ability to handle even the biggest trees in demanding environments. After the trees are felled and bunched, the firewood processor takes over. Here's the Bell 8000, a beast of a machine designed to turn those logs into firewood. Imagine a giant claw feeding logs onto a conveyor belt. A massive circular saw cuts them to length, and then a powerful hydraulic splitter with up to 56 tons of force chops them into uniform pieces. The 8000 can handle logs up to 30 feet long and 26 inches thick, and with its comfortable heated cab and single joystick control, an operator can process up to 4 cords of firewood per hour. That's a lot of campfire fuel! Next in our lineup is the TigerCat 1075C Forwarder, a key player in the forestry industry known for its exceptional transport capabilities. This machine is built to carry hefty loads of logs over rough terrain with ease. With a load capacity of up to 36,000 pounds, it efficiently moves cut timber from the forest floor to collection points, minimizing ground impact. The 1075C stands out for its powerful engine and advanced hydraulics, providing smooth operation and precise handling. Its spacious, ergonomic cab ensures operator comfort during long working hours. Up next in the firewood production line is the Pizzolatto TLF 450. This machine might be smaller than the Bell 8000, but it's a speed demon when it comes to processing firewood. Nicknamed for its fast cutting cycle, the TLF 450 uses a hydraulically driven disc to slice logs into precise lengths. Think of it like a giant pizza cutter, but for firewood. An integrated splitter then takes over, chopping the cut logs into uniform pieces with up to 22 tons of splitting force. Continuing our journey through heavy-duty machinery, we come across the TigerCat 635H swing boom skidder, a true beast in the forestry sector. This machine excels in gathering and transporting fallen timber from the cutting site to the landing area. What sets the 635H apart is its swing boom design, allowing it to maneuver logs with unparalleled agility and precision, even in dense forests. Capable of hauling massive loads thanks to its powerful engine and robust build, The TigerCat 635H ensures efficiency and productivity in log extraction operations. Its ergonomic cab design provides comfort and safety for operators, making long working days more manageable. Let's meet the Petzolato TLA-18, another player on the Firewood production team. This industrial-grade machine is built for serious log processing. Imagine a giant circular saw nearly 6 feet in diameter, mounted on a sturdy frame. The operator feeds logs up to 28 inches thick onto a conveyor belt. The TLA-18 then cuts them to desired lengths with its powerful disc. This machine is known for its precision and ability to handle large diameter logs. Some models even come with automatic features for a smooth and productive firewood operation. Shifting our focus to land clearing and preparation, we introduce the OMF Stump Shear, a powerful tool designed for the efficient removal of stumps and roots. This attachment, suitable for excavators ranging from 6 to 25 tons, operates by cutting and crushing stumps and roots with its strong hydraulic force, making site preparation faster and more efficient. The unique design allows it to pierce, cut, and remove stumps with minimal effort and disturbance to the surrounding area. Its robust construction ensures durability and reliability in the toughest conditions. Interesting to note, this shear combines efficiency with environmental consideration as it leaves a clean site with reduced soil disturbance, promoting quicker land recovery. In the realm of timber processing, the Veneer horizontal band Sawmill WRC 1250 AC stands out for its precision and power. Designed for high-capacity milling, this sawmill can handle logs up to 49 inches in diameter and of virtually any length, thanks to its adjustable track system. The WRC 1250 AC features state-of-the-art computer controls for setting cutting thickness and dimensions, ensuring uniformity and maximizing material usage. Its AC motor provides the torque and speed needed to cut through hardwoods and softwoods alike with ease. Notably, this sawmill is designed for durability and ease of use, with a focus on operator safety and comfort. Its efficiency in converting logs into lumber reduces waste and increases productivity, making it a valued tool in any large-scale woodworking or lumber production operation. Up next in the lumber production line is the Veneer high-tech bandsaw WRC 1150 AC. This workhorse is a great option for smaller sawmills, but don't let its size fool you. The WRC 1150 AC is a horizontal bandsaw designed for efficient log processing. Logs up to 45 inches thick are fed onto a carriage system and maneuvered precisely with a guiding hand. A large, high-tension blade continuously cuts through the log, controlled by the operator from a comfortable cab. This sawmill is known for its durable build and features like automatic lubrication and cleaning systems to keep things running smoothly. Now let's dive into Stump Boss' approach to stump grinding, a critical step in land clearing and maintenance. Stump grinding is the process of removing tree stumps by using a rotating cutting disc that chips away the wood. Stump Boss utilizes advanced grinding machinery that can reach depths of up to 12 inches below ground, effectively eliminating stumps and roots. This method is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly, as it leaves the surrounding area less disturbed compared to traditional stump removal techniques. Interesting to note, the ground-up stump material can be repurposed as mulch, providing a sustainable solution for garden and landscape enhancement. Stump Boss expertise and state-of-the-art equipment ensure that stump grinding is done swiftly, safely, and with minimal environmental impact, making it a preferred choice for both residential and commercial projects. Turning our attention to the milling sector, Clearman Industries presents the Lumber Pro, a sawmill that combines high performance with precision. The Lumber Pro is designed to meet the needs of modern sawmills, offering versatility in processing logs into lumber. It features state-of-the-art controls for accurate cuts, ensuring maximum yield from each log. What sets the Lumber Pro apart is its robust construction and the ability to handle logs of various sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of sawmilling operations. Efficiency is at the heart of its design, with features aimed at reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Let's meet the Terex CBI 6800 horizontal grinder, a beast of a machine designed for large-scale wood processing. Imagine a massive shredder on wheels. Logs, stumps, and even whole trees are fed into the grinder using a conveyor belt. Razor-sharp hammers tear through the wood, reducing it into uniform chips or mulch. The 6800 boasts an optional 1125 horsepower engine, allowing it to grind up to 200 tons of material per hour. This powerhouse is ideal for land clearing projects, recycling wood waste, or creating biomass fuel. Now we come to the Kesla C1060 and C645 chipper truck, a 2-in-1 machine that streamlines the chipping process. The C645 chipper itself is a powerful unit mounted directly onto a sturdy truck chassis like the C1060. This eliminates the need for a separate trailer, making transportation and setup more efficient. Branches, logs, and other wood waste are fed into the chipper using a hydraulic grapple. Sharp blades then reduce the material into uniform wood chips, perfect for landscaping, biomass production, or animal bedding. The Kesla C1060 and C645 chipper truck is a versatile option for professional chippers who need a powerful and mobile machine. The Gallotrax GX800 is a real muscle machine built for tough forestry tasks. Imagine a tank with a high-powered chomper attachment. This 765 horsepower beast rides on tracks, allowing it to navigate uneven terrain with ease. The GX800's secret weapon is a rotating head equipped with razor-sharp teeth. This shredder can tackle trees up to 24 inches thick, grinding them into manageable chips or clearing brush for construction projects. Up next in the Veneer production line is the Feezer 7RT14 peeling line. This industrial machine tackles large logs and transforms them into thin sheets of wood called veneer. Imagine a giant lathe with a special peeling knife. The machine skillfully spins the log while the knife precisely shaves off a thin layer of wood. The 7RT14 can handle logs up to 14 feet long and 26 inches in diameter, making it suitable for processing a variety of wood types. This feezer machine is known for its efficient peeling process, which minimizes wood waste and produces high-quality veneer for furniture, plywood, and other applications. The Trom 20 UES mulcher is a beast on bog tracks, specifically designed to tackle tough forestry and land clearing jobs. This machine looks like a heavy-duty tractor with a brutal attachment on the front. The mulcher itself is a giant horizontal grinder with rows of powerful hammers. As the Trom 20 UES drives forward, the mulcher chews through trees, stumps, brush, and even small rocks, turning them into a fine mulch. This process helps clear land for construction, create fire breaks, or prepare areas for planting. Known for its ability to handle difficult terrain, the Trom 20 UES mulcher is a one-stop shop for tough forestry mulching jobs. Now, for the hobbyist or small landowner, the Frontier OS 23 portable personal compact sawmill brings lumber production to your backyard. This sawmill isn't as heavy-duty as the industrial models, but it's perfect for converting fallen trees or logs into usable lumber. Think of a lightweight metal frame with a chainsaw mounted on a sliding carriage. Logs up to 23 inches in diameter are secured onto the frame. The operator then uses a crank system to control the carriage, feeding the logs steadily into the spinning chainsaw. The Frontier OS 23 is a portable and affordable option for those who want to produce their own lumber for woodworking projects or repairs around the property. In the world of heavy logging equipment, the Wagner L490 log stacker stands tall. This behemoth is engineered to move and stack large volumes of logs with incredible efficiency. Its robust design allows it to handle thousands of pounds of logs in a single lift, streamlining the loading and unloading process in logging operations. Equipped with a powerful engine and a spacious operator's cab offering excellent visibility, the L490 combines performance with operator comfort. The log stacker's maneuverability and speed significantly reduce the time needed to manage log inventories, making it an invaluable asset in mills and log handling facilities. The Plantma X is a mechanized planting machine designed to efficiently reforest large areas. Imagine a rugged vehicle with a robotic arm on the front. This high-tech machine can cultivate the soil, compact it, and plant a seedling all in one pass. The Plantma X carries up to 20,000 seedlings on board, depending on their size and packing. Its robotic arm precisely positions each seedling and ensures proper planting depth. Under ideal conditions, this machine can plant over 40 seedlings per minute, making it a game changer for reforestation efforts. Known for its efficiency and durability, the Plantma X helps forestry companies and conservation organizations plant trees faster and more effectively. Continuing our exploration of forestry innovation, let's delve into the Karpan Kepelnik CV26, a robust log splitter designed for both professional and personal use. This machine simplifies the task of preparing firewood with its powerful splitting force of 26 tons, making it capable of handling even the most challenging logs with ease. Its efficient hydraulic system ensures that wood is split quickly and effortlessly, saving time and energy. The CV26 boasts a durable construction, ensuring longevity and reliability. With safety features that prioritize the operator's well-being, this log splitter combines performance with protection. As we continue our journey through the world of cutting-edge forestry equipment, let's turn our attention to the DipperFox SC 850 Pro, a stump crusher that redefines the process of stump removal. This powerhouse attachment is designed for excavators, turning the tedious task of stump removal into a quick and efficient operation. The SC 850 Pro uses a unique drilling and crushing mechanism to pulverize stumps into chips, allowing for easy removal and minimal ground disturbance. Capable of tackling stumps of any size, its high efficiency and speed significantly reduce the time and effort needed compared to traditional methods. In our exploration of forestry marvels, the Rotten H8D takes a proud spot. This compact and agile harvester is engineered for thinning operations, offering exceptional maneuverability in dense forests. The H8D features a powerful crane and an advanced harvester head, which allows for precise cutting, delimbing, and measuring in one seamless operation. Its low ground pressure design minimizes environmental impact, preserving the forest floor. As we continue our journey through the world of forestry machinery, the John Deere 859M leveling track feller buncher stands out for its robust performance on steep slopes. This machine is designed with a leveling system that keeps the operator upright, enhancing safety and efficiency on challenging terrain. Its powerful felling head can cut through large trees with precision, thanks to its advanced hydraulic system. The 859 durable undercarriage and tracks provide exceptional stability and traction, allowing it to navigate through rough, uneven ground with ease. The Ponce Scorpion is a harvester built for efficiency and power in large-scale forestry operations. Imagine a giant spider on wheels with a high-reach arm and a felling head attachment. The operator, positioned in a spacious cab with excellent visibility, maneuvers the Scorpion through the forest. The felling head, equipped with saws or shears, precisely cuts down trees up to 24 inches in diameter. An impressive feature is the harvester's ability to reach and cut trees at a significant distance thanks to its long reach. The Ponce Scorpion can also select, bunch, and even delimb trees, making it a one-stop shop for mechanized tree felling. Known for its speed, versatility, and cutting-edge technology, the Ponce Scorpion is a harvester of choice for high-production forestry work. That concludes our exploration of the incredible world of forestry equipment. We've seen machines that fell trees, process logs, clear land, and even plant new trees. These marvels of engineering are a testament to human ingenuity and play a vital role in sustainable forestry practices. For more awesome content about construction, machinery, and engineering, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.